Hello guys, welcome to Average Consumers India. Today we are unboxing Casio GA2100 in white or the CasiOak. So let's get started. At the front we have the G-Shock branding. At the side we have G-Shock branding. At the side we also have the pricing, manufacturing details. The current price I believe is around 9,000. We have some serial number and some more serial number. So let's open it up. Here we have some paperwork. Here's the instruction manual, a warranty card, another warranty card. So let's keep it to the side. Here we have the box. At the front we have the G-Shock branding, the G-Shock branding on the side. And let's open it up. Here is the watch. So Casio as a brand started in 1946. It's a Japanese brand and it's known for making calculators, musical instruments, clocks and watches. Casio started making watches around 1980s. Look-wise, this model is inspired by the AP Royal Oak. This version has a white body and a black or a dark black dial, which is a combination of analog and digital complication. Dimension wise, the case size is at 45.4 millimeters. The strap width is around 20 millimeters. The case thickness is 11.8 millimeters and the lug to lug length is around 48.5 millimeters. There is no crown at 3 o'clock. Instead, there are buttons on the sides with light button at 2 o'clock, start button at 4 o'clock, mode button at 8 o'clock, and edges button at 10 o'clock. On the back side, we have Casio branding, carbon core guard, cased in Thailand, and stainless steel back. There's also a day window at 9 o'clock and a digital display at 4 and 5 o'clock. One of the downside you might be able to notice, especially in this white color, is the point where the strap connects with the dial. When you push it a little bit, you could see there's a gap coming between the dial and the strap, which might not be suitable to some people. Feature wise, it comes with 200 meters of water resistance, a stopwatch, alarm, LED light, and 24-hour format. Lastly, it also features lume on the hour and minute hand markers. The CasiOak also offers some three-dimensionality with respect to the case depth. Versatility wise, this can be worn with a jeans and shirt as well as jeans and t-shirt. It can also be used for various activities such as sports and water activities. The CasiOak is a simple and feature-rich watch that can be worn on almost all occasions. At 9,000 rupees or $100, this comes from a very reliable and very well-known brand. Lastly, this is a no-nonsense feature-rich watch that you should buy and you should get. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. This is Average Consumers India. See you next time.